In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Looker Studio. This is perfect when you're polishing a work in progress page, keeping internal notes out of the audience's way, or simply tidying up navigation so viewers only see what matters. Start by opening your browser and going to lookerstudio.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do that. From here, you can either create a brand new blank report or pick a template. A blank report gives you full control from the start, while a template can be a faster way to get going if you want a pre-built layout and styling. Once your report is open in edit mode, choose the page you want to hide. Make sure you're actually on that page before you change any settings. You can switch pages using the page navigation within the report interface. It's a good idea to quickly scan the page name and contents so you're certain you're hiding the right one. Next, look to the top toolbar and click Page. This opens the page-specific options for the report. In that menu, choose Hide Current Page in View Mode. The key phrase here is in view mode. This doesn't delete the page, and it doesn't block collaborators who have edit access. It simply keeps the page out of the viewer-facing navigation so your audience won't see it when they browse the report. To confirm that it worked, click View near the top of the screen to switch from editing to viewing. In this mode, the page you just hid should no longer appear in the page navigation or page selector. If you were on the hidden page when you switched, you'll typically be redirected to the next visible page, keeping the experience clean for anyone consuming the report. A few quick notes to keep everything clear. Hiding a page is about presentation, not permissions. Editors and owners will still see the page while working in edit mode, and data on the hidden page continues to refresh normally. If you're sharing the report externally, rely on Looker Studio's sharing and permission settings to control access, not hiding alone. It's also helpful to give hidden pages clear names so collaborators know why they're hidden and when they're safe to reveal. And if you ever need to bring a page back, go back to Edit, open the page menu again, and toggle off the same setting. That's it. You've hidden a page in Looker Studio, keeping your report organized and your audience focused on what's ready to share.